Hello students, today we are going to see a new topic which is known as Introduction to Adobe PageMaker. So this is a software that is used to create DTP works. Okay, so DTP means desktop application. So this software, these are all the softwares that can be uh, used to create DTP related uh, documents. Okay, DTP means the desktop publishing documents. So you would have seen this DTP word in so many places like Xerox or printers. So printer shops. So which means that they'll be doing this DTP software, DTP works by using any one of this software. So Adobe PageMaker is a page layout software. It is used to create simple business cards to large page, which is used to print. Okay, so page layout software includes tools that allows you to easily position graphics or document pages. For example, using PageMaker, you could create a newsletter that includes articles, pictures, and on each page. Next is how to open a document. Okay, so you can just use this document. You can use the steps to open this Adobe PageMaker. So start all programs, Adobe PageMaker and 7.0, and in that you have to select Adobe PageMaker 7.0. So this is the first screen that will be available on the to work with. Okay, so next is you have to create a new document. So you can just create a new document by using file new, or you can just press Ctrl N. So when you press file new or Ctrl N, you can see this is the document setup dialog box will be appearing there. So this document setup dialog box can be uh, used to set up your page. Okay, either it can be your page size can vary. Okay, so whether it will be A4, A3, A5, any file format selected can be selected by using this page style dialog box. Okay, so you can see that by default it will be selected as letter, and then you have to select it to any page size you need. Okay, next is dimension. So if you need a customized shape or a size, then you can use this dimension. Okay, next next is you can use how many number of pages you are going to use in this document, and what are all the margin you are going to require. So everything can be provided by using this document setup dialog box. And then you can just give the resolution of the page. So mostly 300 pixels, 300 dpi means dots per inch. And after giving all the required fields, then you have to click OK button there in the top right side corner of this dialog box. So after clicking that, this page will be looking like this. It will create a white space all around. So you will be learning all these things. Okay, so the title bar, the menu bar, and rulers, toolboxes, text bar, and pasteboard is the area that is outside the black border. Okay, the area which is present outside this black border space is known as pasteboard, and inside this black border, this is the work area. So you can just keep anything inside it, text blocks, image, any kind of content can be kept there. Okay, So even you can see that this PageMaker has a border and margin. So this margin is given in a different color. So next is page number of pages is denoted here in the bottom left side corner, and there are two types of scroll bars. Horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar is available, and the rulers is also two types of rulers available. Vertical rulers and horizontal rulers are available here. So each one of the part is being described here. So this is the text tool or tool box is available here. So the respective shortcuts is available here. So either you can just select the tool by clicking on it, or you can just use the shortcut key to use it. Okay, if you want to draw a circle, then you'll be using this ellipse tool to draw the circle, or you can just press uh, shift F5 to select the ellipse tool, and you can draw the circle. These are all the different toolbox usage. Okay, so pointer tool is used to select any object in the inside the uh, document area, work area, and you can also use the content is outside pasteboard. Okay, if you are kept any content in the pasteboard, then you can use this pointer tool to select it. Okay, next is text tool. So this text tool can be used to type text or edit text, something like that. Next is a rotating tool. So this rotating tool can be used to rotate any object as you require. Next is crop. So if you are using any graphics property, then you can use this to crop it. Crop means adjusting the vertical length and horizontal length of the graphics. Okay, so next is you can see that line tool. So this line tool can be used to draw lines, straight lines. Okay, next is constraint line tool. This is used to create dotted lines or different types of lines, or thickness of the lines can be done by using this constraint line tool. Next is rectangle tool. This rectangle tool has if you want to create a rectangle inside the document, then you can use this rectangle. Next tool is frame rectangle tool. So if you want to create a rectangle frame, then you can use this rectangle. So rectangle frame means you can see that there will be a border inside the work area. You can create a small bordered area. You can use some designs in the text border. So something like that can be done by using this uh, rectangle tool or rectangle frame tool. Next is ellipse tool and ellipse frame tool. Both are the same. And polygon tool and polygon frame tool is, you can see that if you want to create a different types of shapes, when you see a calendar, okay, it will be there in a different shape. Okay, so that kind of fading effects or shading effects can be done by using this polygon tool. And you can see that frames can also be different shapes of a polygon means multiple sided shape. So if you want to create a multiple sided shape, then you can use this polygon tool. Multiple sided frame you need, then you can use this polygon frame tool. Okay, so hand tool is usually used to grab a document and move wherever you need. Okay, so that's why the hand symbol will be there. You can move around anywhere inside the document just by clicking and dragging. Next is zoom tool. So you can just zoom in and zoom out by using this zoom tool. So with this we'll finish the class today. We'll see the rest of the things in the next class. Thank you, students.